Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a short one about how to make your own eternity roses. I've seen how much they can cost, so I've decided to do some research and try to make my own. Eternity roses, or sometimes called forever roses, they last about a year after going through a drying process, so they are really made from fresh roses. Okay, so here's what you need. Fresh roses, obviously. So I like to choose the ones that look like this. They are not really full bloom, so they are midway through. And you can choose any color that you like. Next, you need silica gel. Now this is a drying agent. The one that I selected are in the sandy texture, not the round beaded ones. I got mine from Amazon, so I'll link everything below. Pour yourself a nice beverage and then we can start. Now you need a container and line that with a base layer of silica sand. Select the best looking roses and just cut them off, leaving just a bit of the stem, and set them on the silica base. So after completing that process, completely cover the whole container with the silica sand, just filling up every corner that you can find. After that, seal the container and store it in a secure place so that nobody will topple it. The drying process takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Mine was kept for about 15 days. And next you need a decorative frame, a box, a jar, a bottle, or anything you like. And some dry floral foam and glue gun. The glue gun is super helpful. And next we will need some picks to attach the flower and set it on the foam. After 2 weeks of drying process, it's time to remove the flowers and the leaves from the container. Gently shake off the excess silica sand from the flowers and the leaves into a container because you can reuse the silica sand for the next project. The dried out roses look so beautiful and they last for a year. Now set the rose on the bamboo picks because that will help you put them on the foam. Now depending on your arrangement, you could skip the bamboo picks and just glue gun the roses on. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And this little arrangement here was made using the jar from my Jo Malone body cream. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you're trying this out, please tag me on Instagram with your eternity roses. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Bye bye!